Hello, this is Duncan Welder from RISC. I appreciate you joining me today, and what we're going to talk about are a couple places where there's data inside your VTA system that you may not know about or may not be using now, especially that's capitalizing on xAPI. One of those is purely in blog articles. So if I go to blogs here, and I'm just in my search function, let me find an article here, this new search features in VTA 7.1. Just an article that's there as a blog inside VTA. But as I scroll through, one of the things I'm able to do at the end is said, I read this article. And if I want, I can give it a rating. Again, follow the author, see more articles by that same author. These are things that you've been able to do for quite a while. But now that I've clicked on that button that says I've read this article, what this has done is written a statement to the Learning Record Store using xAPI, commonly called or referred to as tin can, identifying that I've completed this action. So just went through, and again, it's a blog article. It's not a course that I've completed, so it's something I've just self-declared. The other place this can happen is under resources. And if I take a look at single sign-on options, I have a single sign-on video here. It's actually another YouTube video that's posted. So if it starts up, it will let me play that video. I'm going to go ahead and mute that guy because clearly I want to be able to speak over the top of it. But I can watch my video if I want. I can pause. I'm going to play. If I want, I can even do something like drag that guy way out here and skip to the end, and I'll just let it play out through the conclusion of the video here. Again, if I float over the top, I can see that it's actually embedded from the YouTube site, and I can show you how that's done separately through the back office system. So now video is completed. I'll go back. What I'm going to do now is open up my xAPI statement viewer, my tin can statement viewer. So I'm going to refresh that one. Now I was logged in as this Jason Beasley when I started all that activity. So you see there's a lot of different things that show up, including today's date and the fact that I've read that new search features in VTA blog. You can also see that I've played, paused, skipped ahead, and then finally came back and completed my video on single sign-on installation. So if I want, I can actually come in and open up the data inside each one of these and see the point from which I skipped to the finishing place where I skipped. So again, all this data being collected every time you use those resources in VTA, things like the blogs, things like embedding YouTube videos there, and plenty of options for pulling that data out, being able to go back and look at it, doing some trendings, as you've seen us do with the PDF annotator analytics. So wanted to share a little bit of information about the data that is being collected there. If you have more questions on VTA itself, if you have more questions on xAPI or the ADL's new CMI5 initiative, don't hesitate to let us know. You can reach us at www.risc-inc.com or support@risc-inc.com. Thank you much. Have a great day.